All right, I just wanted to make a quick video. This beautiful 2016 Mustang GT350 has an amazing engine in it, putting out over 500 horsepower, and this one sounds just great. So you can see that great big airbox there. Take a listen. Sounds amazing. You can see up top, upper strut bar. And of course, if we're to go inside of this, I mean, even just from a standstill, the rumble of this exhaust is just awesome. If we go inside, we go ahead. What a great sounding engine. And then you do have a switch here, which we can actually go with the exhaust mode from normal to sport. And you put that in sport. Sounds fantastic. All right, thanks a lot for checking this out. Do me a huge favor, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big like. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel and click that bell notification. Be notified every time I make a video. Thanks, everyone.